When it comes to air tools, having the best air compressor can make a big difference in the quality and effectiveness of your work. Whether you need an electric or engine-powered compressor, knowing what features to look for such as PSI, quietness, horsepower, and air tank capacity is key. In this video, I will help you find the best air compressor for your air tools that meet all of your needs and fit within your budget. So, watch the full video and check the links given in the description for updated prices and information. Number 1 is Craftsman Air Compressor. This Craftsman Air Compressor will provide you with peace of mind when it comes to running framing or roofing nailers continuously and other objects around your home. Its 3-gallon tank and 1.5 HP UMC motor can achieve a maximum PSI of 155, allowing for more accurate adjustments based on the item you are using. With this air compressor, you won't need to worry about losing pressure due to its powerful performance. It offers the best in tool performance and convenience, with an oil-free and maintenance-free pump system that's engineered to provide powerful results every time. Its sound level is 82 decibels, much quieter than other compressor models on the market. Plus, this unit only requires 120 volts to run, meaning you won't need anything more powerful or expensive to power it up. And lastly, it features a sturdy Q235 steel housing structure built to endure heavy workloads and maintain its dependable design over time. It is a great choice for powering air tools of all shapes and sizes, as it features universal connectivity through its 1/4 MPT standard air connector. No matter what type of tool you have in your collection, this compressor ensures maximum compatibility to get the job done right. It is the ideal choice for tackling your DIY or professional projects, with solid construction that protects the unit from sudden pressure drops and unexpected wear and tear, ensuring maximum safety and reliability. Number 2 is Metabo HBT Quiet Air Compressor. The Metabo air compressor ensures a quiet work environment while still providing high performance. With an operational noise level of only 59 decibels, this is the perfect choice for workplaces and private workspaces alike, where maintaining a low noise level is essential. With a maximum power output of 0.13 horsepower and the ability to generate 8.6 psi pressure, this product excels in its performance without creating annoying noise for your environment. Using this compressor, you can easily and accurately adjust your desired PSI setting thanks to its clear and intuitive gauges. This makes it easy to complete projects with optimal pressure, saving time and ensuring results that fit your requirements perfectly. It features an industrial oil-free pump and a 2.8 amp direct drive induction motor for maximum efficiency in any job site or workshop environment. This powerful combination of components ensures that the compressor runs consistently with significantly fewer noise disturbances than comparable compressors on the market today. The compressor comes with an overload protection circuit, preventing damage from accidental overworking of the motor by cutting off power when it is at its maximum capacity. And lastly, its quick coupler valve lets you quickly connect and disconnect hoses with one hand. The rubber feet keep the unit incredibly sturdy while also absorbing any shock that may occur during use, making it perfect for any job site. Number 3 is NorthStar Portable Gas-Powered Air Compressor. This gas-powered air compressor is powered by a highly reliable 163cc Honda G-Zone 160 OHV engine. Moreover, the oil shutdown system ensures your machine does not overheat due to insufficient lubrication. Never worry about your compressor heating up again, thanks to its innovative V-style cylinder design. This feature helps ensure that cool air is consistently supplied during operation, guaranteeing a more efficient and reliable performance. This powerful compressor delivers maximum performance where you need it most. With 13.7 cubic feet of air delivered per minute and a maximum pressure of 130 psi, this unit can easily handle any job site or automotive project you have in mind. It features a convenient and reliable pressure regulator to make controlling outlet pressure effortless, and it is built for the long haul with its full cast iron pump, reducing maintenance and ensuring you'll get frequent and reliable use year after year. Finally, it comes with a 20-gallon horizontal SMS certified air storage tank, perfect for all of your large projects. The extra space allows you to tackle larger tasks without having to constantly monitor and refill the tank. Number 4 is Stealth Portable Ultra Quiet Air Compressor. With an impressive 2.5 CFM at 90 psi and 3.5 CFM at 40 psi, plus a maximum tank storage of 3 gallons. The Stealth Portable Ultra Quiet Air Compressor offers superior power for your toughest tasks, all in a quiet, portable package. This ultra quiet air compressor incorporates a low-amp 120V motor, meaning that it is complex enough to start up with ease even in cold weather. As a maintenance-friendly advantage, the pump also includes an oil-free design requiring no lubrication, which further add to its convenience of use. It is equipped with a powerful 1.0 HP motor to ensure you never falter when tackling heavy-duty jobs. Delivering abundant power, it can operate both small and large tools quickly and efficiently without skipping a beat.
Hi, my name's Larry and I'm part of the product development team here at California Air Tools. And in front of me today is one of our new products. In front of me today is our California 8010 air compressor. This is a 1 horsepower, 110, 8-gallon steel tank air compressor. This air compressor produces 2.2 CFM at 90 psi and 3.1 CFM at 40 psi. As you can see, it's got a 2 handles so you can lift this air compressor up. It is 48 pounds. It comes with wheels so you can move it around. This air compressor is a 1 horsepower air compressor as mentioned, and it is designed for airbrushing, engraving, filling your tires up, brad nailers, finish nailers, and a variety of other air tools. It comes with a industrial female quick connector, and it is a very nice air compressor. It's only 60 decibels. That means you can use it inside a house, on a job site, in a garage. It is a great air compressor, and it's a nice size tank to use for a lot of air tools. This air compressor is 60 decibels. Let me turn this on so you get to hear what the sound level is with this air compressor. So as you can tell, this is 60 decibels, which is quiet, which means you can stand next to it, talk, and work in a garage, a house, and not bother the neighbors or anyone else. Next to me is one of our competitors. This air compressor is 90 decibels. 90 decibels is unacceptable. It's very loud and very noisy. So you can hear that air compressor is very loud. And as you can tell here, this is only 60 decibels. It's our ultra quiet air compressor by California Air Tools.